Hey guys, what is going on? It's week 7 in our 52 hikes of 2019 and week 3 in our February for Falls series. Today we are going to be at Blue Hole Falls in Elizabethton, Tennessee. It's a 4-tiered falls and it's right off of the road, so there's not a long hike for this one, guys. I think it's about a half-mile round trip. So let's go check it out. Let's see what we got. Blue Hole Falls, and it's called that because of the blue pool that is actually under the waterfall. It goes down a lot deeper than it looks, and it's hard to see on camera, but that's why it's called Blue Hole Falls. Up at Blue Hole Falls, guys. We're gonna head back to the car now. I'm really happy I came to see this. Even though it's right off the road, there is a little bit of climbing involved to get down to the falls if you want to get a good look at it. So thanks so much for coming along, guys, for week 7 of our 52 hikes in 2019 and week 3 of our Februaries for falls. So we'll see you next week with another waterfall. Until then, keep hiking and stay safe out there, guys.